Mga kapuso, ako, ito na hihintay nating lahat dahil bukas showing na ang Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. Yan po ang last movie sa Harry Potter series. Kaya, Potter fans, let's rejoice! At narito ang iba't ibang Harry Potter collections. Ibibida sa atin yan ni Maggie Adan, Editor-in-Chief ng K-Zone Magazine. Good morning, Maggie!
Good morning!
Naku, Maggie, I understand ikaw personal fan ka rin ni Harry Potter. So, can you explain to us bakit ba naging patok ang Harry Potter movies?
I think hit siya with kids, like our readers, for example. Kasi it talks about like 3 friends who are going in this amazing adventure. There's magic, there's wizardry. That's with adults naman, parang the themes resonate with us. It's about love conquering all and parang friendship, ganyan. And I guess basically kasi J.K. Rowling wrote parang an engaging, amazing, imaginative tale talaga.
Parang it covers all bases,
Yes.
di ba? Kaya pati mga adults and chikitings alike
Yes.
nahuhumali. Pero here, ang dami nating nakita mga Harry Potter collectibles. Naglabasan lahat yan. Ano ba yung mga bagong dala ninyo dito? Or
well,
personal favorites?
Yeah, personally, because there are 3 resident Harry Potter fans in K-Zone. So we have the Lego set. Of course, we have the 7 books.
Okay, the 7 books.
Yeah, we have pillows, DVDs, mga memorabilia like premiere tickets.
And ito parang super cute na to yung personalized photo.
Well, my sister and I, a few years back, we wrote to Daniel Radcliffe. And he mailed us back, tapos may photo and a little letter from him.
Oh, okay. So this is the one. It comes with, this is the letter.
Yes.
And signed by Daniel himself.
Yes.
Wow! Cool! Pero meron daw kayong patikim sa mga behind the scenes ng final movie ni Harry Potter kasi napanood mo na?
Yes.
That's right, the press preview. Sige nga, can you share just a little bit?
Well, it's amazing. Sobrang sad then. We were crying the whole time.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Okay, lahat sa buong theater, I mean, people were really
Well,
crying.
people I was with. And parang in the magazine, we have like 14 pages of Harry Potter special. And we're giving away a Godric Gryffindor sword, which is like the one in the movie.
Okay, si Lynn ang nagre-react. Okay, so all they have to do is get a copy of the magazine.
Yes.
All right. And can I see yung mga 40? Okay, so basta 14 pages devoted entirely to that. Okay, sige. So grab your magazine. Pero ito, hindi lang si Maggie ang may patikim. Si Lynn, meron din. Kanina pa siya nag-enjoy dyan. What do you have there, Lynn?
Paano napatigil ako nung sinabi yung Gryffindor sword, ha? Uy, type ko yan. Uy, pero kasama ko po ngayon mga membro ng Hogwarts Philippines na pinangungunahan ni Francis Romero. Ching! Ayan, good morning!
Good morning.
Ayan, hindi kita hinapadakidabra.
Wag muna.
Wag muna, not today. Uy, nagsimula ang Hogwarts Philippines noong 2001 pa. Pero bakit si Harry ang napili niyong idol, kumbaga?
Well, hindi naman idol per se si Harry. Harry kasi became parang a symbol for students, for children.
That's true.
Na
Yes,
parang
that's true.
it encouraged everyone to start reading and then continue the reading
Yes.
of students. And furthermore, sa Harry Potter, masyadong relatable yung mga characters niya.
Oo
Two
nga.
people, di ba?
Sa totoo lang.
So, sa mga friends natin, may mga Ron tayo, may mga Hermione tayo, we have Draco. So, I think ayun yung reason kung bakit it became such a hype to everyone.
true.
And kami, as parang a group of aficionados or
Big fans. Big
sobrang
fans.
big fans of Harry Potter, we banded together to share with each other our experiences
And
sa
to
Harry
celebrate
Potter.
it, diba? Kasi sa totoo lang, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng libro. Sobra.
Very, very
Ini-encourage namin yung mga magulang na ibigay yung mga anak nila ng ng Harry Potter series. Kasi ang ganda talaga. So ano masasabi mo matatapos ang Harry Potter series? This is the last film.
Yeah, sa akin,
Film.
8 film, but out of 7 books.
Yeah, pero last na siya.
Pero last talaga.
Lungkot, di ba?
Actually, it's really heavy for us. Parang when we were nag-uusap kami na, uy, ito na yung end.
Oh,
parang,
wala na tayong abangan,
oo,
di ba?
Wala nang next year, wala nang ano. So, medyo malungkot rin. Pero for us, it doesn't end there.
Yes.
It transcends the movies. Kasi there's still the books, there's the 7, there's the 8 movies. So, pwede namin ulit-ulitin, discuss
That's
further.
true.
So,
Alam mo, feeling ko ito parang magiging siyang Star Wars na every year merong celebration,
parang,
di ba?
something like that.
Harry Potter, yeah. It's amazing. Anyway, maraming salamat, Francis
Alright,
Romero. Thank you. Lipat po tayo kay Suzy. Ching! Ching talaga eh. Sakto naman, di ba? Ching! At eto naman yan, si Nolan Erea. Good morning.
Good morning, Susie. At good morning sa lahat ng viewers na unang hirit.
Yan, lalo ng mga Harry Potter fans. Isa siyang Harry Potter collector. At may 1,000 na daw collections mo. Totoo ba? Saan ba nanggagaling itong mga collections mo?
So actually, yung collections ko, nag-start ako sa books.
Alright.
Then, yung mga DVDs, action figures, Then, yung iba naman, gift sa akin ng friend dahil nalaman nila na nagko-collect ako. So, sila mismo nag-insist na i-gift sa akin yung mga Harry Potter items. So.
Yung mga books na yan, hindi lang siya yung the usual books na binibenta kunwari sa bookstore dito. May ibang mga ibang edition pa yan, eh, no?
We have yung UK edition na publish siya ng
ang
Bloomsbury.
art, ano?
Yes, iba yung cover page niya.
Aha.
Then, I have also yung mga books na iba yung dialect, rather. I mean language.
Iba yung language.
Yes, I have the
The
Spanish,
Spanish.
Korean.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Then I have also this Thai, Arabic, and the Irish version.
Is it Irish English? Aren't
No,
they?
hindi.
Di ba sila English?
Oo. Okay.
Alright.
Then,
so pag merong ibang, may friend ka na pumunta dun sa country na nire-request mo.
talagang sabi ko, bilhan niyo ako ng books na ibang
Wow. And what is your most precious? May ganun ba?
Siyempre yung mga ones.
Ganda nga naman.
Kasi
in
wala
fairness.
nito sa Pilipinas. So, nabili lang to either sa Europe or sa US.
Paano mo naman inaalagaan itong mga collections mo? At anong balak mo sa kanya in the future?
Okay, so wala pa naman akong balak siyang ibenta, pero gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-keep.
Oo. So may isang kwarto sa bahay ninyo, puro collection mo lang?
Yes, actually, siya, dalawang cabinet.
Dalawang cabinet. And you also have limited edition na mga stuff there, no?
So, itong mga items na to, they are limited. So, 5,000 lang siya sa buong mundo.
Buong mundo.
And luckily, isa ako sa mga nakakuha ng items na yun. Like this one, yung Hagrid's New Arrival, pang 4,957
Naks
buyer.
naman, kamunti ka na, dahil 957
Okay,
ka na.
then ito naman, yung kay Hagrid.
Ayan, pakita daw natin ang iyong certificate.
Okay, so these are authenticity certificate.
Ah.
Yes, this one is pang 4,997.
Oh, tatlo na lang,
correct.
tatlo na lang. Buti nakabot
And
ka.
I also have these yung mga movie replicas like the acceptance letter.
I love it.
Oh, yes. From Hogwarts School. Siyempre, meron din ako. Yan.
cute, it's your name.
Meron din akong aking pangalan ko siya. Yes.
Ang
Then,
galing.
we have
And
the
this is my favorite.
Yes, the Marauder's Map.
Marauders Map.
Then, this is the educational degree from the movie na Order of the Phoenix.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nolan, for bringing all of this stuff
Okay,
and
thank you.
sharing it with us.
Okay, thank you this sa UH for letting me share my collection.
Oo, thank you. And I'm sure you're so excited. Kailan ba papalabas?
Tomorrow yung first day, pero ang schedule namin ay sa Friday kasi may paso.
Ay, oo nga. School muna. Very good
Yes,
naman.
yes, yes.
At sabi nga sa Harry Potter and the Deathly
Hello.
Hallows, it all ends here. Pero para sa lahat ng Harry Potter fans, the magic lives on forever. Magbabalik pa unang hirit.
Unang hirit, ang saya-saya. Sa unang hirit, unang hirit, unang hirit. Mangulat ka. Unang hirit, unang ka. Balitang dapat na malaman, impormasyong may pakinabang.
Mga dapat unawain sa ating mga gawain.
Mga dapat alagaan,